Fresh coconuts are collected at peak ripeness. Only the best coconuts move forward. The journey to the coconut milk factory begins. Harvest meets industry. Freshness travels fast. Where farming meets precision engineering. The intake process begins. Coconuts enter the production line. From crate to conveyor.
Raw coconuts move deeper inside. Surface dirt is washed away. Cleaning prepares them for processing.
Every coconut is carefully checked.
The outer husk is ready to be removed. Revealing the hard shell inside. Now the real transformation begins. The shell is about to break. Precision cracking releases the core. Every drop is captured. Waste is removed, value moves on.
The white meat is the heart of coconut milk.
Cleaned for purity.
Prepared for extraction.
From solid to pulp. Now it flows deeper into the factory. The base of coconut milk takes shape. Balance creates consistency. Texture begins to transform. Purity is refined.
Nothing is wasted.
Consistency is perfected. The transformation continues. Inside these walls, coconuts become coconut milk. Precision begins at the door. The heart of coconut milk production. Every pipe carries progress. Systems move in perfect coordination. Smoothness is engineered.
Safety is controlled by heat. Heat eliminates risk. Then cooled to preserve freshness.
Stored under strict control.
Now it moves toward packaging.
The final stage approaches.
Containers take their place.
Measured to perfection. Sealed for safety.
Branded and identified. Every bottle is verified. Clean inside, ready for confirmation. Exact weight ensures consistency. Only perfection moves ahead.
Seals are double-checked.
Brand accuracy matters. Every bottle carries its timeline. Units become retail packs.
Secured for transport.
Stability restored.
Cartons take shape.
Packed with precision.
Sealed for shipment.
Ready for logistic tracking.
Bulk handling begins. Stacked for distribution. Secured for the journey.
From production to storage. Coconut milk enters controlled storage.
Stored with precision and care. Every batch is digitally tracked.
Tieng. Climate control preserves freshness.
Orders are prepared for delivery.
Final checks ensure safe transport.
Coconut milk prepares to leave the factory. Loaded for nationwide distribution.
Secured for the road ahead. The journey continues. From factory floor to store shelves. Fresh coconut milk travels across the country.
Ready for homes and kitchens.
Production at industrial scale. Efficiency powers distribution. From coconut farms to modern processing lines. And this is how modern factories produce coconut milk from start to finish.